Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. Multiple choice questions on marketing analytics, one of the papers taught in MBA final semester of AKTU. Questions. Number 1. Levels of differentiation, market share, product life cycle stage, correlating promotional spending and brand sales are part of dash in advertising. Options are 1. Objective of advertising, 2. Models of advertising, 3. Evaluation of advertising, 4. Developing strategy, 5. None of these. Correct option is 4. Developing strategy. Question number 2. Advertising involves dissemination of information about a produce, service to induce people to take actions beneficial to. Options are 1. Advertiser, 2. Sponsor, 3. Marketing manager, 4. Firm, 5. Retailer. Correct option is 1. Advertiser. Question number 3. Which of the following is the most popular print media available to advertiser? Options are 1. Magazine, 2. Pamphlet, 3. Emails, 4. Newspaper, 5. None of these. Correct option is 4. Newspaper. Question number 4. Direct mail advertising is suitable in case of. Options are 1. Retailer, 2. Wholesaler, 3. Personal selling, 4. Share broker, 5. None of these. Correct option is 4. Share broker. Question number 5. Dash is helpful in promotion the businesses, people and big industrialists are promoting their goods and services through networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, etc. Options are 1. Social media, 2. Email, 3. Radio, 4. Television, 5. Print. Correct option is 1. Social media. Question number 6. Dash ignores large differences in cultures, demographics and economics of international marketing decision. Options are 1. Standardization drawbacks, 2. Advertisement regulations, 3. Standardization benefits, 4. Typical responses, 5. None of these. Correct option is 1. Standardization drawbacks. Question number 7. Pioneer advertisement, consumer advertising and product advertising are. Options are 1. Objective of advertising, 2. Types of advertising, 3. Marketing decisions in advertising, 4. Evaluating advertising, 5. None of these. Correct option is 2. Types of advertising. Now move to next slide. Question number 8. Drama, exhibitions, fair are effective means of. Options are 1. Personal selling, 2. Advertisement, 3. Sales territory, 4. Entertainment, 5. None of these. Correct option is 4. Entertainment. Question number 9. Dash in advertisement means of providing complete information about the product and its uses to the society. Options are 1. Legal environment, 2. Awareness, 3. Interest, 4. Personal selling, 5. Educative. Correct option is 5. Educative. Question number 10. Comparing past sales and advertisement, trying for new experiments, measuring sales difficulties are. Options are 1. Objective of advertising, 2. Models of advertising, 3. Evaluation of advertising, 4. Developing strategy, 5. None of these. Correct option is evaluation of advertising. Question number 11. In advertisements, we generally see a warning message for cigarettes that smoking is injurious to health. It is an example of. Options are 1. Advertising, 2. Monopoly in market, 3. Legal environment, 4. Entertainment, 5. None of these. Correct option is 3. Legal environment. Now move to next slide. Let me tell you friends that I have compiled this video tutorial series of video tutorial on marketing analytics as per the units or topics given in the syllabus. Question number 12. Selecting style, tone, words for marketing ads are part of. Options are 1. Message strategy, 2. Message execution, 3. Selecting media, 4. Measuring communication, 5. None of these. Correct option is 2. Message execution. Question number 13. Through ads, customer used to take their purchasing decision in advance. In this way, advertisement help in. Options are 1. Online marketing, 2. Customer decision, 3. Personal selling, 4. Convenient purchasing, 5. None of these. Correct option is 4. Convenient purchasing. Now question number 14. Think globally, act locally is a global advertisement strategy and local advertising programs under dash of intentional marketing decision. Options are 1. Standardization drawbacks, 2. Advertisement regulations, 3. Standardization benefits, 4. Typical responses, 5. None of these. Correct option is 4. Typical responses. Question number 15. A particular growing of customers assigned to a salesman for this sales activity is called. Options are 1. Marketing territory, 2. Sales territory, 3. Advertisement territory, 4. Promotion territory, 5. None of these. Correct option is 2. Sales territory. Question number 16. Digital marketing is same as. Options are marketing through emails, 2. Marketing on Facebook, 3. Marketing on Twitter, 4. Online ads, 5. All of the above. Correct option is 5. All of the above. Question number 17. Advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and a promotion of ideas, goods and services by an identified person. Who stated this? Options are A. Australian Marketing Association, 2. European Marketing Association, 3. China Marketing Association, 4. American Marketing Association, 5. Indian Marketing Association. Correct option is 4. American Marketing Association. Question number 18. Advertising influences the mind of the customers by creating desire and taste for. Options are 1. Old products, 2. Same products, 3. New products, 4. Different products, 5. None of these. Correct option is 3. New products. Question number 19. Magazines add credibility to the message because of the reputation in the eyes of. Options are 1. Marketing manager, 2. Salesman, 3. Retailers, 4. Consumers, 5. Wholesalers. Correct option is 4. Consumers. Viewers, please, if you find this video tutorial helpful, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to forward it to many those who are in need of this content. Question number 20. Creating innovative and new ideas, identifying customers' benefit, selecting specific appeals for advertisements are the part of. Number 1. Message strategy, 2. Message execution, 3. Selecting media, 4. Measuring communication, 5. None of these. Correct option is 1. Message strategy. Question number 21. Advertising gives benefits to society of large people. At the same time, it adds to cost, undermines social values, creating monopoly and encourage dash. Options are 1. Sales of products, 2. Sales of interior products, 3. Sales of old products, 4. Sales of large products, 5th. None of these. Correct option is 2. Sales of interior products. Now question number 22. Advertisement is a mass communication. It addresses to masses and it's a form of dash communication. Options are 1. Personal, 2. Non-personal, 3. Direct, 4. Indirect, 5. None of these. So correct option is 2. Non-personal. Question number 23. Advertisement provides information regarding product or idea in non-personal forms as no face-to-face contact is involved between. Dash. Options are 1. Marketer and retailer, 2. Jobber and wholesaler, 3. Buyer and customer, 4. Market manager and salesman, 5. None of these. Correct option is 3. Buyer and customer. Question number 24. It is difficult to evaluate the impact of advertising message as there is no immediate and accurate dash. Options are 1. Legal environment, 2. Feedback mechanism, 3. Convenient purchasing, 4. Educative, 5. None of these. Correct option is 2. Feedback mechanism. Question number 25. Dash is the most recent and effective medium of advertisement. Options are 1. Newspaper, 2. Magazine, 3. Television, 4. Email, 5. Radio. Correct option is 4. Emails. This is all about this marketing analytics. Let me tell you friend, this is the last video tutorial of this marketing analytics. More quality content will be given in my upcoming video tutorial on other different subjects. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.